Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting months for gardeners in Zone 7 July. If you're itching to get your hands dirty and wondering what you can still plant in the heat of summer, you're in the right place. Stay tuned because I've got some fantastic tips to keep your garden growing beautifully all season long. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, July can feel like a make or break month. The heat is on, but guess what? There are plenty of veggies, herbs, and flowers that thrive in this warm weather. And if you plant them now, you'll be reaping the rewards come late summer and fall. So grab your sun hat and let's get planting. First up on our list, bush beans. These little powerhouses are perfect for July planting. They love the warm soil and can be ready to harvest in just 50 to 60 days. Plus, they don't need much space, making them great for small gardens or even containers. Here's a quick tip. Plant them about 1 inch deep and 3 inches apart. Keep them well watered, especially during those scorching hot days, and you'll have a bounty of beans in no time. Next, let's talk about leafy greens. Now, you might be thinking, isn't it too hot for greens? Not for these guys. Heat-tolerant varieties like Swiss chard, kale, and New Zealand spinach can handle the summer sun and still give you a fresh harvest. They're perfect for salads, smoothies, or even sudding. Look at these beauties! The best part, they're cut and come again, which means you can harvest the outer leaves and the plant will keep producing more. It's like having a never-ending salad bar in your backyard. Now, let's spice things up with some herbs. July is fantastic for planting basil, cilantro, and dill. These herbs grow quickly in the heat and add incredible flavor to your summer dishes. Basil, especially, is a summer superstar. You can use it in pesto, salads, or just to garnish your favorite meals. Nothing beats the smell of fresh basil. And here's a tip for you. Pinch off the flowers as they start to form. This keeps the plant producing more tasty leaves instead of going to seed. Of course, we can't forget about flowers. July is prime time for planting sunflowers, zinnias, and marigolds. They thrive in the heat and add a burst of color to your garden. Plus, they're excellent for attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies, which are essential for a healthy garden ecosystem. Sunflowers, in particular, are not only beautiful, but also fun to grow. They follow the sun as it moves across the sky, which is just magical to watch. And did you know you can even harvest their seeds to eat or feed the birds? It's a win-win! So, there you have it, a quick guide to what you can plant in July. If you're in Zone 7, from veggies and greens to herbs and flowers, there's plenty you can still grow and enjoy. Remember, gardening is all about experimenting and finding what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what thrives in your garden. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to get out there and plant something new. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. And leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're planting this month. Happy gardening, everyone!